This video is about the product, MySQL DBA Certification Online Training, available now. MySQL DBA Certification Training trains you on the core concepts and advanced tools and techniques to manage data and administer the MySQL database. It includes hands-on learning on concepts like MySQL Workbench, MySQL Server, data modeling, MySQL Connector, database design, MySQL Command line, MySQL Functions, etc. End of the training, you will be able to create and administer your own MySQL database and manage data. Why should you take MySQL DBA course? MySQL is the world's most popular open-source database. Many of the world's largest and fastest-growing organizations, including Facebook, Google, Adobe and Alcatel-Lucent, rely on MySQL. This product available online in this link: http://cellcoprodukts.blogspot.sg/2018/03/online-training-available-now.html. Hope this video useful. Visit www.productnewsgroup.webs.com for more product news. Thank you for watching this video. Share with your friends and relatives. Subscribe Products News Group in World Channel. God bless. Wish you have a happy life.